Yo, we got another unboxing. This time it's a really big one. The box is so big it can't even fit on the desk. It's a package from ToneCrete. Let's get into it. Has a note attached. It says, "Yo, thank you for the support. Hope you like the extra. It was made before ToneCrete began. Much love." Okay, cool. So I only ordered one thing, so I guess we got 2 for 1. Shout out Tone for the extra. Okay, so I think that's the one I ordered, and that's the extra. Let's get these unwrapped. Came with some stickers, non-slider material. We'll check that out later. This is the one I ordered. This is the V1 brick ledge. Has a super nice marble all over. Got non-sliders already on. Really smooth. Alright, now let's get into this extra. No idea what this is. Okay, cool. So I'm assuming this is like a one of one, so I'm pretty hyped on that. Really appreciate it, man. It's like a bank ledge situation. Looks like something you'd find at a street spot. So super cool. Glad I could add this to the collection. Alright, let's get back to this V1 brick ledge. Let's see how it grinds and slides. It's just straight butter. The edges are super smooth. Gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Let's check out these stickers. Oh, wow, he even sent some sticky tack. That's really cool. Alright, so we got the ToneCrete logo sticker. We just got a basic ToneCrete sticker. Let's put one on. let's check out this 1 of 1 extra. It's my first time trying concrete. It's pretty smooth. It's not at all what I expected. Cool little bank. Alright, so we got the extra concrete bank ledge situation. We got the V1 brick ledge. Definitely check out ToneCrete. Peace.